Ye hieni. Let me huni pa kwa na down for. Between who say we are down for pa. Someone say a poor man no have friend. But when you see a poor man's friend, respect that person. You see, there are certain things that you need not to be ashamed of. You don't have to be ashamed of your own old clothes. Watari dada, wo sha atare kura ye dada, eno kyerese na ye wa we de, eni se wo fere. Ade ba ko eni se wo fere, eye wadan fufuo dada sebi omunni sika. Se utumi kai wadan fu bia wone ne sha ase. Bia na level na we du no, ondu sa wo level no, ba uta kai no. Na wo kai se wo ye nipa, na bia sika keke na wonni, na wo ta according Kenya. You see, if you become rich, don't feel shy to invite your friends who are poor. It will remind you of how gracious God has been to you. Me Kofi, and for baby, I make a bia, me kai me ye me wedding. Madam for I me invite your mobile saying na, Madam for be anywhere or the car buy. Me ye me wedding reception no. Omo me invite omo ebe didi be no mo ye no obi amfa car amba because they were my old friends who knew about me and the woman that I married. Don't be shy of your old friends who don't have money. It is called loyalty. Yeah, no, can you be to party? Never who say say debe wagon. We be saying wadan for ya wo wadan for you na yesikafo. Wadan for be anywhere where you hear me when you invite you. Listen carefully.